Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start today's video, I've got something really exciting to share with you. I've recently launched my brand new Discord server, and it's going to be our main place for gaming, tech talks, and lots of fun. If you love playing games, enjoy talking about technology, or just want to be part of a friendly and active community, this server is definitely for you. You can join, hang out, and chat with me and a lot of like-minded people. The invite link is in the description below, so make sure to check it out after watching this video. Also, if you want to change the audio to Hindi, go to your video settings, click on the audio track, and select Hindi as your preferred language. Now, let's get into today's topic. I'm going to show you how to set up Discord bots professionally and perfectly in your own server. If you're new to Discord or want to make your server look organized and interactive, this guide will help you a lot. Setting up the bot in a specific channel. Have you ever added a bot for a specific task but noticed it automatically has access to all channels? This can sometimes mess up the user experience and make your server look messy. Don't worry, I'll show you how to set up a bot so that it works only in a specific channel. First, invite the bot to your server and give it only the permissions it truly needs to perform its tasks. Avoid giving unnecessary permissions to prevent issues. Next, create a dedicated channel for the bot. This could be something like #bot commands or #musicbot, depending on its purpose. Having a separate channel keeps your server organized and prevents other channels from being cluttered. Adjusting permissions. Now comes the important part. Setting permissions. Right-click on your dedicated channel and select Edit Channel. Go to the Permissions tab, select the bot's role or the bot itself, and allow the permissions it needs to operate here, like send messages or embed links. For everyone else, like at everyone, deny these permissions if you don't want them to use the bot in other channels. This ensures the bot only works where you want it to. Testing the bot. After setting up permissions, test the bot in that specific channel. Make sure it works as expected and doesn't send messages to any other channels. If it does, double-check your permission settings. Sometimes a small mistake can let the bot post elsewhere. If you've stayed with me in this video so far, here's a bonus tip. If you want to turn off or disable any bot // commands, go to your server settings, click on Integrations and then Bots and Apps. Select the bot you want to adjust, and look for the option to disable or limit /commands for specific channels or roles. This gives you full control over where the bot can respond, keeping your server neat and organized. Outro. And that's it. Now your bot will only work in the channel you've chosen, and you also know how to manage /commands if needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your Discord server. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.